The biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing ripple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
You have people like Charmaine who has been with you for almost 18 years. What kind of culture and day-to-day behavior do you think keeps someone committed to the same company for that long?
That's a question close to my heart. In a business built on navigating uncertainty, Charmaine is our bedrock. That kind of loyalty isn't bought. It's built day by day. It comes from a culture that does two things relentlessly. First, we protect our people from the tyranny of the urgent. In logistics, everything is a crisis, but our culture is about solving the real problem, not just the loudest one. We don't shout, we diagnose. When a container is stuck, we don't just blame the forwarder, we ask, what in our process allowed this to happen? And how do we firewall it for every client? That means our team uses their brain, not just their stress hormones. They are problem solvers, not firefighters. Second, we celebrate the invisible win. Everyone sees the container arriving on site, but we make a huge deal about the email sent at midnight to factory to confirm weld specs, or the actual document checked that caught a discrepancy before it shipped. We celebrate the diligence that prevents the crisis. That's where pride comes from. You are not just doing your job, you are guardians of your client dreams and margins. The day-to-day behavior is simple. We act like an owner. Every one of us asks, if this was my own company, my money, and my reputation, what would I do? That mindset creates a fierce collective responsibility. There are no passive passengers here. So when you see someone like Charmaine with us for 18 years, she's not just an employee, she is a cultural carrier. She stays because her work has profound meaning. Her intelligence is respected, and she knows that in this company, doing the right thing is never the wrong answer.